Welcome back. Now, before we take a look at the day's business news, let's first take a look at the stock indices across the GCC. And in our top business story, the UAE's oil output averaged 2.72 million barrels per day in the second quarter of 2013, just up from 2.67 million during the first quarter of the year. That's according to the International Energy Agency. The latest data also showed that the country's oil output for the month fell from 2.75 million barrels per day the month before in July. The IEA also revealed that the UAE has a sustainable oil production capacity of 2.90 million barrels per day, and its crude supply averaged 2.69 million in the first half of 2013. The UAE's average oil output in 2012 was 2.65 million barrels per day. Additionally, the official selling price of Abu Dhabi's 4 crude oil grades averaged $110.73 a barrel in August, up from $106 a barrel in July. Connectivity between wireless and wired systems is machine-to-machine technology, and experts say that increasing this in the country will create new business opportunities for the industry, as well as enhance consumer experience. This is the focus of Etisalat's first ever M2M Middle East Forum that got underway today. From utilities and security to transport and healthcare, M2M connections worldwide are expected to grow by a compound annual growth rate of 36% through to 2018, as according to industry experts. Analysts say that developing markets such as the UAE and Saudi Arabia are expected to be among the key players in the region. And with a dynamic economy and ready infrastructure, they are expected to reflect global growth in M2M. They added that the mobile industry will have a 70 to 80% presence. Etisalat is among the providers that has already started, from ensuring the RTA's parking meters are working properly 24/7 to efficient rubbish collection in Sharjah.
We have the Emirates Energy Star, which is, we believe, we are very proud that we have launched this in partnership with Pacific Control back in 2011. Basically, it's a solution which is, again, to the public is hidden, but is using the M2M where we're putting devices in buildings to manage the electricity consumption. So this solution will help actually to reduce the energy consumption.
While M2M solutions are already available in various industries, particularly in transportation and utilities, experts say there are more untapped segments. The two-day event is a platform to share best practices from international enterprise leaders and M2M solution providers, as well as to raise awareness to improve operations and create a competitive edge. Among the topics that will be discussed include smart cities, smart enterprises, smart governance, smart grids, smart metering, remote monitoring, smart healthcare, security, and smart retailing.
As the infrastructure network is there, this is not a big, there's a challenge. The challenge is having the application and have the right business model, because this is, because the end of the day is to have a services that it can be acceptable and can be taken by the end user. And I think this is the challenge, because especially these services are not high, it's not profit, not high profit, yes. So you have to be very innovative in the way you offer it as a commercial package to the end user.
On September the 25th this year, the UAE's national carrier, Etihad Airways, will showcase its fuel optimization efforts on a global scale in an ultra-long-haul flight from Abu Dhabi to Sao Paulo, Brazil, which is the airline's longest route. This comes as a part of its Fuel Optimization Week program, which was announced today. And according to news agency WAM, the week looks to highlight specific activities that reduces the consumption of aircraft fuel, both on the ground and in the air. James Hogan, the CEO of Etihad, was quoted as saying that with rising fuel costs, the initiative highlights the importance of sustainable profitability and their ongoing commitment to protect the environment. Our Hotels, which currently owns, manages and operates 3 hotels in Dubai and Ajman under the Ramada brands, has revealed a 1.5 billion dirham investment plan. According to a company statement, the subsidiary of Our Holding is investing 1.5 billion dirhams towards its acquisition and development plans, and it is on track to double its hotel portfolio to 6 hotels by the end of 2015. Sumair Tariq, the managing director of Our Hotels, was quoted as saying that they have already committed 500 million dirhams this year and that their focus has been on trophy assets and building a strong team. Tariq also revealed that the company has started work on the Palm Jumeirah as their next area of interest. Our Hotels currently owns, manages and operates 3 hotels in Dubai and Ajman under the Ramada brands, the Ramada Downtown Dubai, the Ramada Hotel and Suites Ajman and the Ramada Beach Hotel also in Ajman.